What is up, everybody? See, today we're going to be doing this flex fuel sensor. I got the harness already pretty much built up for the connector side to the sensor. I'll just have to loom it through and then wire up the connector to the ECU. So I think I figured out where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna throw it on the return line right here and then just mount it to the strut tower. Seems like the best spot. We'll try that out and then wire it through, come through the firewall, and then wire up the end of the connector to the back of the ECU right there. So I think I'm gonna drill this hole out in order to bolt it right there to the pre-existing hole in the strut tower. So we'll try to just drill this out a little bit, that way I can mount it right there. All right, there we go, got her mounted up. Right there, into that return line. Just bolted up to the strut tower, so now I'm just gonna hook up the connector and then route the harness around. All right, so we're good to go. Put the wires through. I pinned up the connector and I threw a little wire loom over it. I'm pretty much just gonna sit it in here for now until I go to get tuned, and then I'll hook it up once I'm getting tuned. But until then, she's ready to go. By the way, if I didn't mention what ECU I'm running the Haltech Platinum, the plug and play for the R32. And I just used the pinout online for that aux plug in the back of the ECU. By the way, it looks like those Haltech Flex sensors are pretty much rebranded GM Flex sensors, so if you're gonna buy one, you might as well just buy the GM one if it's cheaper. But yeah, pretty much the same thing, at least from what it looks like to me. But it looks like we're all done for today. Till next time.